In the evolving landscape of employment, the rise of artificial intelligence begs the question, which jobs will be the first to disappear? As machines become capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans, many roles in manufacturing and data entry are at risk of being automated. Retail positions like cashiers and even delivery services are seeing significant changes as technology advances, leading to fewer human jobs. Customer service roles are increasingly being replaced by AI systems capable of handling inquiries, drastically changing the workforce landscape. In education, traditional teaching methods are shifting as AI-driven platforms offer personalized learning experiences, potentially affecting teaching jobs. As artificial intelligence begins to create news articles and reports, the roles of writers and editors may face significant transformation. AI is transforming industries faster than ever, revolutionizing processes from manufacturing to data analysis, enhancing efficiency and driving innovation. In logistics, AI speeds up supply chains by optimizing routes and managing inventory, while in healthcare, it improves patient outcomes through accurate diagnostics. Retailers use AI to enhance customer experience through personalized recommendations, while financial institutions leverage it for smarter trading and risk assessment. In smart cities, AI is optimizing traffic flow and enhancing public safety, allowing urban planners to make data-driven decisions for sustainable development. Education is being revolutionized by AI, providing personalized learning experiences for students, while tech companies harness AI innovations to address complex challenges. What makes AI so powerful is its ability to learn from vast amounts of data through machine learning, automate repetitive tasks, and even create new content via generative AI. Machine learning allows systems to improve over time as they analyze data, adapting to new information and trends seamlessly. Automation powered by AI takes over mundane tasks, freeing up human potential for more creative and complex endeavors. Generative AI can produce unique content such as art, music, and text, blending creativity with technological innovation. As AI becomes more integrated into various sectors, it enhances learning experiences and fosters innovation in fields that were once thought to be entirely human domains.